Sasa zino ziri kuhihira
zenda mwamezi Saida tunaenda kukora sande zitakulia.
Ngumanya maiki kimbaga karamaro. Sande zitakulia.
Ezia consequence. Zinho karubata
zuranza kirirwa ibikura biri mu kemiko na amezi kemiko
ati kandoma just nanka yo kuongera amana
Boost,
mbuzi
glucose glucose tuzikunyania muno tuzikupama muno
bora
kupama tuzikupama muno sana
zini
ndio kama yale sana. So right here guys, this here on this side we put these the ones those are 2 months old chicks. So these are the broilers which are 2 months. Wow, that looks nice. Atuku ninjai hiyo. Ninjai. Kasta ino mvazi. Mko izo nteraka sana njiko asi. Wow, so guys, this is our stock. You can see we stocked for our 300 birds for the start. As you can see, we rear broilers. These are broiler starter crumbles. These ones, each bag is at 50 kilograms. So 50 kgs times like 10. So it's much stock. Wow. Wow, so guys, these are our broilers here. They are very heavy, you can see. So these are 6 kilograms. If you can measure it, it weighs 60 kilograms. So also this is at only 50,000 Ugandan shillings, guys. The way it is. Wow. Eh, guys, this is very heavy. This is our broiler here. It weighs close to 6 kilograms, and it costs 50,000 Uganda shillings if you like it. It can satisfy the whole family because it weighs a lot of kilograms. Wow, very heavy. So guys, come and visit our poultry farm here in the village. You're gonna enjoy like quite me. So guys, it's been interesting at our poultry farm today. I think I should sign out for now, guys. I'll be updating you in another video. Thank you for keeping it with Poultry 256. Sign out for now. Bye bye. Wow. So guys, you know you have to spray before entering the house to protect.
Yeah, and by the names of Mwanamke Brian.
Yes.
The worker who works at this farm.
Okay.
I advise everybody.
Yes.
To make some projects like this.
Okay.
Yeah, because this project is better.
It is better.
Yeah.
So what are you doing the one that you are doing? What are you adding?
This is a liquid paraffin.
Yes.
It treats water while it is contaminated.
Okay. Wow, hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. This is Poultry 256. So today guys, it's the second day here at our poultry farm, and today guys, I'm going to show you the progress about our poultry farm here. And you know, this house we have just constructed it, and it occupies close to 2,000 poultry birds. So but for the first, we started with a little of close to 500 birds, and right now they are in 1 week, I think. So let me enter this poultry house, guys, and I show you the progress that we actually have here. And I promise that much are still coming through our progress. So kindly guys, give this video a like, share with your friends, and drop a comment in the comment section to let me know how you think about our videos. So let me start by showing you a bit tour around our farm before entering. So right now you can see we planted these trees so that we get some nice environment around. And the way that you are seeing that the compound is not we have just started because we want to plant here, like to put here like a gardening, so that you can plant like the herbal medicines for the chicks, you know. So this is Irish potato. So you know guys, as always on the farm, we have to keep eating every time. So these are the trees that we have just planted, so that in future they create a nice environment here and bring some, you know, like a shade around this place, because we don't need much light on our farm, like heat on the farm. So we actually need like a fresh environment. You can see these are the trees. However, it has now like got some diseases, so we need to add some fertilizer, I think. Wow. So this has just grown up. These are the first trees that we planted at first before constructing our poultry house right there. You can see these are the newly planted trees. Wow. So we put this to to protect it from the goats from eating them. So let me take you around the house as I show you guys our farm. Our farm is really looking nice. Wow. So let me show you from down here. So this one. So this is our latrine. This is our latrine here, and this is the first floor. So let me enter inside and show you actually how it looks like, guys. Wow. Guys, kindly support us, share this video. Guys, I'm going to keep sharing such kind of poultry videos around our farm. So this is the like a nursery bed. We put here a nursery bed. So these are the ones which are coming out. Those are dodo, like greens. So this is the garden that we are planning to where we are planning to plant like the medicine for the herbal medicine for the chicks, to as a farm, and also actually the food, because you have to eat we ourselves. Yeah. So this is the entrance, guys. This is how it looks like at the entrance from the up to bottom. So we only have this poultry house has only one entrance, and this is the entrance, the only entrance. So the one that goes up, we put it inside just to protect the thieves. Guys, thieves always come and take our birds easily here, because we actually live in like a village, you can see around. So we put the door for the other side of the house inside to protect the thieves. So let's enter inside the house and we see the progress what we have inside there. And actually we are going to tell you a little bit of things about our poultry farm today. So guys, kindly enjoy. Let's enter. So you can see this is the first floor here. So we previously we decided like to start with this first ground floor to put chicks, but since it was just completed, the floor was not wet. It was still wet, not dry. So we didn't want our chicks to die, so we decided to move them up, put them up on the upper floor where there is no wetness. So this is the way to the upper floor. So we put these stairs not outside, just to protect thieves. Guys, thieves always come and take our birds. So that side is our stock. That's the stock for our chicks here. Wow. Yeah. So guys, you have to spray before entering the house to protect our chicks from getting diseases. Wow. So guys, this is our man who always stay here on our farm, and I think he's going to introduce himself to our channel. And for the very first time, guys, he tells you his name and you know him very well. Okay.
Yeah, I'm by the names of Brian.
Yes.
The worker who works at this farm.
Okay.
I advise everybody
Yes.
to make some projects like this.
Okay.
Yeah, because this project is better.
It is better.
Yeah.
So what are you doing the one that you are doing? What are you adding?
This is a liquid paraffin.
Yes.
It treats water while it is contaminated.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see the water is now ready. You put medicine.
Yes.
Okay.
I put the medicine like chick formula and amylite.
For the purpose of that medicine is to do what?
Just to boost the young chicks.
The young chicks.
And to make them to give them energy such that they can't get some dislocation problems.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the brooder. So guys, how many are these chicks?
Yeah,
Right now?
300.
300.
Yeah.
So guys, we started with the 300. These are 300 chicks right now here, and this is the brooder. So why do you put this this charcoal in the
birds warm?
The birds warm. Then why don't you put them only at night, not in during the day?
They are still young. They haven't fed us to make them warm.
Okay.
But after 2 weeks, I'll be putting them in the night only.
Okay. So guys, this is our first stock of the chicks. These are 300 chicks here, 300 birds. So we need much as we progress with this farm. So this is what so far we have done. Wow, very interesting. You can see they are feeding. Nice. Wow. So we have our drinkers here ready. You know guys, here we don't have like problems or with the drinkers, with some of the materials here, the equipments, you know, to use on the farm. So we have in plenty. So I think the progress of this farm will be successful. Wow. So guys, these are our broilers here. They are very heavy, you can see. So these are 6 kilograms. If you can measure it, it weighs 60 kilograms. So also this is at only 50,000 Ugandan shillings, guys. The way it is. Wow. So very heavy. Can you get in mind of you? Guys, this is very heavy. This is our broiler here. It weighs close to 6 kilograms, and it costs 50,000 Uganda shillings if you like it. It can satisfy the whole family because it weighs a lot of kilograms. Wow, very heavy. So guys, come and visit our poultry farm here in the village. You're gonna enjoy like quite meal. So guys, it's been interesting at our poultry farm today. I think I should sign out for now, guys. I'll be updating you in another video. Thank you for keeping it with GPAL256. Sign out for now. Bye bye. Wow.